let's talk about how bad of a driver you could be that the passenger wanted to give you -3 stars. That's right, -3 star. I don't know why you wouldn't just say -5, but okay.
Well, -3 stars. Woman orders Uber and Tesla picks her up. She can't believe what the owner, the driver, basically told her to do while in the car. And I'm like, well, we got to talk about this. So please don't do this, folks. Don't. Okay. I mean, we're going to next topic. We're going to have you come on and do some, talk about that. But she goes, I ordered an Uber. A Tesla showed up. Okay. Big
What's wrong
effing
with that?
deal. Yeah. What's the big deal? And she pens. He made me put my purse on the ground because he's trying to make the seats last longer. Now, that is the most boneheaded bullshit I've ever heard. Ever.
I've never heard that before in my life.
I say that to the dog, if there's a dog, put him in the wheel well or some shit. A purse? I don't know. Footage of Kinza's clip indeed does a bag resting on the floor on the Tesla's backseat area. And she did it. Why did you comply? Say, hey, man, it's a purse. By the way, driver, her butt is probably going to damage your seat more than the purse. Unless, look, I get it. Sometimes, people, they have those carry-ons and things. They're lazy. They don't want to open your trunk and put it in there. They'll just like slide it across or some shit. I get that. I never would allow that to happen either. But if this is like a female handbag or a purse, I'm not sure. That guy deserves -3 stars.
Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
She goes on to state, I asked him to turn up the AC. It's a Tesla. He turned up by 1 degree, and how he's asking me for directions because his car navigation system doesn't work. What kind of goddamn Tesla is this? Kinza said in the caption, is there a way you can make sure Tesla owner never picks you up again? Honey, you are in the wrong car with the wrong driver. Go get in Matt's car. He drives a Tesla. I bet you he'll give you a magic carpet ride over there.
Or Zach's car.
As her clips progresses, Kinza records her driver. There's a video on this. Whose infotainment screen is on but doesn't appear to be engaged in turn-by-turn navigation. This guy is a number, bro. I don't know. I don't think he should be on the platform. You know what I mean? So following this, she flips the camera orientation to reveal a close-up of her face as her video comes to a close. Yeah.
First of all, I want to see actual video of this, so I need to watch the particular video.
Well, watch it. There's a video of it.
When it comes to the infotainment, I don't know about this, but does your infotainment show necessarily Uber or Lyft, or do you have it hooked up to Uber and Lyft for them to have turn-by-turn on the infotainment,
they're
or
glitchy.
do you use your phone?
They're glitchy.
They're glitchy. I mean, you can use Uber and Lyft on Apple and Android car devices, but the problem is how many people do. And so if that means that it's not on the infotainment screen, including a Tesla, it's probably because it's on the phone. But what if you're in a dead space? And I'm giving them a lot of credit here. But if you're in a dead space and you don't have proper service and you're not necessarily knowing where you are, I can understand that aspect. But the reality comes down to is this looks like it probably was in a city. And
yeah, I mean, look, don't do it. If you're a driver like that, if you're having a bad day, just turn it off, go home, do something else, because
I think she's also making it much worse than what it really was.
I am sure she's embellishing the story a little bit, but there's a video attached to the story, and the video she recorded in the car, and I'm like, look, you take it with a grain of salt, again, give him the benefit of the doubt.
Yeah, but here's the thing. She may be recording it but she also may have the entitlement attitude that says, I blah, 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 whatever it might be. I don't want to put words in her mouth. So either way, I think both could be at fault here. But the problem is I don't know exactly what happened. I have to watch a particular video. I want to see the whole thing, the whole interaction, especially this purse thing, because that I don't understand in any way.
No, I get it. I get it. No, okay. I get it. Look, all I know is that, look, as much as you guys may hate the companies, it's not the rider's fault. Rider's just in the car trying to get a point A to point B trip. That's it. That's all they're trying to do. Now, there are some qualified a-holes on the platform as riders. Plenty of them. Okay? Yeah. Plenty. Then you guys can do whatever the heck you want. But most of the time, give good service. Say good morning, say good evening, say have a good day, whatever it is, man. It's not that hard. So, and I don't know. I mean, we'll see.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.